Hi children. Children, today we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 11.1. What this question says, children? It says that in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, in which small a is equal to 24 units, B is equal to 25 units, angle BAC is equal to theta. Find cos theta and tan theta. So what is the given data, children? Very simple. Given, or simply write given, it's enough. Okay. What is given, children? In right angle triangle, that is in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree and A is equal to 24 units. B is equal to 25 units and angle BAC is equal to theta. This is the given data, children. What you have to find out? Cos theta and tan theta. So cos theta is equal to question mark, tan theta is equal to question mark. Okay, children. So children, for that we have to draw a triangle. Let's draw the triangle. Triangle ABC. Here angle B is 90 degree, children. And A, small a, this small a is nothing but, children, side opposite to vertex A. Side opposite to vertex A, that is 24 units. 24 units. Small b, side opposite to capital B, that is 25 units. Okay, children? And angle BAC, that is center one is A. So vertex this angle A is given theta. So we have to find out cos theta and tan theta. So we have to see the sides with respect to this angle theta. So it becomes opposite, it becomes adjacent, and it becomes hypotenuse with respect to theta, children. Okay, children. So how to find this? It's a very simple and very easy question, children. Okay, so let's do this question. So children, two sides are known. Third side you have to find out. Why? What is the need? What is the here required thing? Cos theta you have to find out. So cos theta is equal to OA, adjacent upon HH, adjacent upon hypotenuse. With respect to theta, adjacent is this and this side is not known, children. So first let's find this side. How can you find? I am writing in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. Why I always write this? Because if one of the angle is 90, that is right angle triangle, then only Pythagoras theorem is applicable, children. So what you can write? According to, therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem. What, children? Hypotenuse, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This chapter is very easy, children. AC, how much AC? 25 unit whole square is equal to AB, we have to find out first, plus BC 24 whole square. This is 625 is equal to AB square, and 24 square, children, 24 square is 576. So I am writing here 576. Or AB square is equal to, children, 625 minus 576. That is AB square is equal to 15 minus 6, 9. 11 minus 7, 49. 49 unit square. So to get, it's a AB square value. To get the AB value, we have to apply square root on both the sides. So 49 unit square. The square root cancel. So AB is equal to 49. Square root of 49, children. Factors are 7 into 7. So 1 7 come out. Unit square. 1 unit will come out. So that is 7 unit. So this value is now, children, 7 unit. Okay, children. Now once we got the value of all three sides, we can use simply the formulas of trigonometric ratios to find out. What are the formulas, children? You have to find out cos theta and tan theta. So what is the formula of cos theta, children? Cos theta is equal to OA, that is opposite, upon HH, that is hypotenuse. With respect to theta, opposite is BC, upon adjacent is AB. So BC how much, children? 24 units, upon AB how much, children? Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. AC how much, children? Cos theta OA, that is, it's wrong children, sorry. Cos theta OA, that is, A means adjacent. So adjacent upon HH, that is hypotenuse. Adjacent with respect to theta, AB side, divide by hypotenuse, AC side. AB how much, children? 7 unit. 7 unit, upon AC how much? 25 units. So is equal to 7 upon 25. It's a ratio, therefore no units, children. Okay, children. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. This is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. 7 unit by 25 unit. Next is a tan theta. Tan theta OAO. O means opposite, upon HHA. A means adjacent, is nothing but opposite. 24. First write the side BC upon adjacent AB. BC is how much, children? 24 units, upon adjacent 7 units. Units cancel. So 24 upon 7, children. 24 upon 7. So this question is completed. First question. Question number 3. This was question number 3. And question number 3. One is 7 upon 25. Second is 24 upon 7. Yes, children, we got the correct answer. See, children, question number 5. What this question says? If 3 tan A is equal to 4, find sin A and cos A. It's very simple, children. It may be asked in 2 marks or 1 marks, not a 4 marks question, children. Okay. So what is given? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, children. As we are taking here, A, once again here angle, which angle is 90 not given, I have taken, children. Okay. So what is given? 3 tan A is equal to 4, children. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Okay. And sin A is equal to, you have to find out. Cos A is equal to, also you have to find out, children. So I am writing here given what? 3 tan A is equal to 4. Okay. Or it can be written as 3 tan A is nothing but, children, 3 into tan A. Don't write tan A as a tan into A. Tan A is a unique. But 3 tan A means 3 into tan A. So tan A is equal to what can you write? 4 upon 3. Okay children, that is tan A value, and tan A is equal to what? Trigonometric ratio. How trigonometric ratios are related to the sides of triangle? OAO upon HHA. How tan A is related? Tan with respect to A is OAO, that is opposite, upon HHA, adjacent. Or that is, what is its meaning? Or what you can write children? Opposite is to adjacent is equal to 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3k. Okay children. So that is, it means what? Opposite is equal to 4k and adjacent is equal to 3k. K is any positive integer children. K is any positive integer. Okay, just like previous question. So once we got the value of opposite is a 4k and adjacent is a 3k. So what you can write children? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, what you can write children? Hypotenuse side, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. And what is the AC square children? AC square value how much? AC square value is given or not? Not given. We have to find out children. So AC square value we have to find out. So put the value of AC as it is as a AC square is equal to what children? AB square 3k square plus BC square 4k square. Okay children. So AC square is equal to 9k square plus 4 square 16. So AC square is equal to 16 plus 9 25k square. To get the value of AC, apply root on both sides. So simply here this is cancel. AC is equal to square root of 25, 5 children, plus 5 and minus 5. Minus is meaningless for distance side. So this value is now 5k. Okay children. Now what we have to find out? Sin A. So sin A with respect to, what is the formula? OA. O by HHA. H. With respect to A, opposite. BC. With respect to A, hypotenuse. AC. BC is 4k upon 5k. Nothing but 4 upon 5. Okay children. Second bit. Cos A. Cos A is equal to OA, that is adjacent, upon HH, hypotenuse. With respect to A, adjacent, AB, upon hypotenuse, AC. AB how much children? 3k. Upon AC, 5k, that is 3 upon 5. Okay children, is it not a simple? Very very simple question. So children, question number 4. If cos A is equal to 12 upon 13, then find sin A and tan A. It's a very simple question children. What it says, if cos A value is given children, cos A value is given, and you have to find out what? Sin A and tan A. So first of all, what is given children? Cos A. Cos A is equal to 12 upon 13. Cos A is equal to 12 upon 13. What you have to find out? Sin A and tan A. So we have to find out value of sin A and tan A. So sin A is equal to question mark, tan A is equal to question mark. So solution children, let's take a triangle. Here triangle name is not mentioned, but since it is A, so probably it will be triangle ABC. And right angle you can take anywhere children, because it is specifically not mentioned. If it is mentioned that angle A is equal to 90, angle B is equal to 90, you have to consider that. If not mentioned, you can take any angle as 90. Here I am taking angle B 90. Okay children. So after this, what we have to do? So children, what is given? Since cos A is equal to 12 upon 13 and value of cos with respect to A is what children? Opposite upon OA. O means opposite, sorry children, cos A. OA, that is adjacent. Adjacent upon HH, that is hypotenuse. And with respect to angle A, opposite is BC. Opposite is BC. With respect to angle A, adjacent is AB. It means what children? Here, this is, that is, what we can say children? BC is equal to 12K. What is the K children here? K is any integer children here. Any, you can say positive integer. Okay, because unit is not given here children. And you can, this is a ratio 12 by 13. Means what you can say? Adjacent is to hypotenuse. Adjacent is to hypotenuse is 12 is to 13. Means adjacent and hypotenuse are in 12 is to 13 ratio. If you want, you can write also like that. Or without expressing this also, you can write here, that is adjacent is to hypotenuse is equal to 12 is to 13. 12 is to 13. Or what is the meaning? Adjacent might be some 12 into K. And hypotenuse might be 13 into K. What does it mean? Adjacent and hypotenuse have K as a what? Common factor. For example, ratio is 12 is to 13. If you multiply with 2, ratio may be 24 is to 26. If you multiply with 3, 36 is to 39. Multiply with 10, 120 by 130. Means you can say that adjacent and hypotenuse values are not 12 and 13 here. It is not given. Values are 12 is to 13 ratio. 12 is to 13 ratio. Did you understand? Ratio means they are in ratio of 12 is to 13. Whatever the value, maybe 12 and 13, 24 and 26, 36, 39, 120, 130, 1200, 1300. Ratio is 12 is to 13. That's why to identify, to mention the ratio, I wrote here K, where K is a common multiple to 12 and 13. Whatever K value is there, in numerator into multiply with this 12, in denominator also multiply with 13. I hope it is clear. So now adjacent is 12K. Adjacent is 12K. Hypotenuse is 13K. Now similar children, same thing again we have to do. What is the same thing? We have to find out the third side. How we can find out third side? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay children, therefore according to Pythagoras theorem, children, what the Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse side square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay children, let's do on that side. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square children. Okay children, now after this let's put the values. AC how much children? 13K square is equal to AB how much? 12K square. plus BC square. Okay children, 13 square is 169. K square is equal to 144 K square plus BC square. Take the BC square one side children, numbers that side, 169 K square minus 144 K square. In mathematics, especially in the lower class, 10th class, 9th class, 8th class, we need more patience children. Patience is required more here. So you have to write step by step, don't go in shortcut. I can do in one step, but I have to explain you, and it's a 4 marks question, so I must write it step by step. So BC square is equal to how much you are going to get? 9 minus 4, 5, and here 2. 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2. 25 K square. To get the value of BC, we have to apply square root on both the sides. So children, here root and that cancel. 25 is the 25 is the square of plus 5 as well as minus 5. But it's a distance, so minus value is meaningless. So I am writing plus 5, and K square root is K. That is BC value we have got children. That is, this is 5K. Once we got all the 3 sides, it becomes very easy to find the trigonometric ratios children. For example, first one, what is asked? Asked is to find sin A. So very simple. Sin A is what? OA, that is opposite, upon HH, that is hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay children, what is opposite? Opposite side is BC. Upon hypotenuse is AC. So BC how much children? 5K. Upon AC how much? 13K. Here that is left is 5 by 13 children. Next, second bit. What is the second bit you have to find out? Tan A. So tan A is equal to what children? OAO. Last. That is opposite. Upon HHA. Last. Adjacent. Okay children. Always remember this memory tip. Okay. Opposite. Opposite side is BC. Upon adjacent side is AB. Here we are considering A angle. So with respect to angle A, we are deciding the side children. Remember it. BC side how much? 5K. Upon. And AB side how much children? 12K. K cancel. 5 upon 12. Hope you understood the question very well.